If you want to set private DNS on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. So in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, we will need the DNS provider hostname. Now, let's say if we want to set Cloudflare's DNS on our iPhone. For that, let's go to Safari, and in the search bar, let's search this. As you can see, this is the hostname of Cloudflare's DNS. Now you can copy it from here. Just select it and tap on copy. After you copy this DNS provider hostname, then go to your home screen and open settings. In settings, just tap on Wi-Fi, then tap on the eye icon in front of your connected Wi-Fi network. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option of configure DNS. Just tap on it. Now instead of automatic, just select manual. Now under the add server section, just paste the server address of Cloudflare's DNS. As you can see, this is the server address which we have copied earlier. Now you can remove the rest from here. Just tap on the minus icon on the rest and tap on delete. Just like that. And once you do that, then tap on save. And as you can see, by doing that, you will set your selected private DNS on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can set private DNS on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.